This question is from AC current, alternating current, second year physics. So see the question. A transformer converts 200 volts AC into 2000 volts AC. Calculate the number of turns in the secondary if the primary has 10 turns. We know the transformer and transformer formula. Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. Here given in transformer we have primary turns and secondary turns. Vp by Vs means Vp is the primary EMF, Vs is the secondary EMF. You can understand by the diagram. I will draw. See, if this is a transformer, these are primary turns, Np, number of turns in primary coil, Ns, number of turns in secondary coil. Potential difference are EMF, Vp, potential difference of primary coil, Vs, potential difference of secondary coil. In the question, 200 volts AC into 2000 volts AC. This is 200 volts AC. 200 volts is converting into 2000 volts. Okay. Calculate the number of turns in the secondary. Calculate the number of turns in secondary. So, number of turns in secondary coil we have to find out. If the primary has 10 turns, primary has 10 turns. Primary coil having 10 turns, find out the turns in secondary. So, we have a formula, that is Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. Vs we know 2000 by Vp we know 200 volts is equal to Ns we have to find out, Np we know 10 turns. This two zeros cancel, 2 ones are, this 20 will be 2 tens are 20. 10 by 1 is equal to Ns by 10. So I will do cross multiplication, Ns into 1, 10 into 10, Ns into 1 will be Ns only, 10 into 10, 100. So secondary coil having 100 turns, that is the answer. Next question from electric charges and fields. How many electrons constitute in 1 coulomb of charge? So for this formula, Q is equal to Ne. Q is the charge, N is number of electrons, E is the charge of electrons. We have to find out how many electrons. So N is equal to, so Q by E, Q by E. In question some values are given, that Q is equal to 1 coulomb, but charge of electron is constant value, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So we have to substitute in this. Q is 1 coulomb, E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So 1 divided by 1.6 into, so take this 10 power 19 to the numerator, that will be 10 power 19, plus minus will be plus. So this 1.6 for this we can cancel the point and we can write division 10, 16 by 10 into 10 power 19. So this 10 will be numerator, 1 into 10, 1 into 10 nothing but 1 into 10 means 10 by 16 into 10 power 19, that 10 by 16, 10 should be divided with 16, we will do here 16. So this is a small number, so we can take point 100, 16 6 are 96, 100 minus 96 is 4, for point we can take one more 0, 16 5s are, 16 2s are 32, 40 minus 32 is 8, for point we can take one more 0, 16 5s are 80, So cancel 0. So 10 by 16 value 0.625 into, I am writing this as a 10 power 1 into 10 power 18. 1 plus 18 again 19. So 10 power 18 into 10 I wrote for 10. 0.625 into 10 means this point shift to here. That is 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charge? 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons are there.